Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fetching the latest record from a table in an Oracle database typically involves using SQL queries that leverage the order by clause in conjunction with the fetch clause or the ROWNUM pseudo-column. Below, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this, along with code examples. Tutorial: Fetching the latest record from an Oracle database table. Step 1. Set up your environment. Ensure you have access to an Oracle database and a SQL client, such as SQL*+, Oracle SQL Developer, or any other database management tool. Step 2. Understand the table structure. For this example, let's assume we have a table named employees with the following columns: employee_ID, primary key; first_name, last_name, hire_date, date when the employee was hired. Step 3. Writing the SQL query. To fetch the latest record based on the hire_date, you can use several methods. Below are two common approaches. Method 1, using order by with fetch first. This is the most straightforward way to get the latest record. Here, we will order the result set by hire_date in descending order and then fetch the first row. Method 2, using ROWNUM. In this method, you can first filter the results to get the latest row using a subquery. This approach is useful if you want to maintain compatibility with older versions of Oracle that do not support the fetch clause. Step 4. Execute the query. Run the SQL query in your SQL client. This will return the latest record from the employees table based on the hire_date. Step 5. Handling ties. If there are multiple records with the same latest hire_date, both of the above methods will return only one of those records. If you want to retrieve all records that have the latest hire_date, you can adjust the query as follows. Conclusion: in this tutorial, you learned how to fetch the latest record from a table in an Oracle database using SQL. You explored two primary methods, using order by with fetch first and using ROWNUM. Additionally, you learned how to handle cases where multiple records have the same latest value. Additional tips: always ensure that the column you are ordering by, in this case, hire_date, is indexed if the table is large, as this can significantly improve query performance. Consider using to_date or to_timestamp functions for date manipulations if your dates are stored in string format. Test your queries in a safe environment before executing them on production data.